What's up, boys and girls? How are you? This is Coach Stewart. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm out here at Unity Park in downtown Greenville, and it's time for us to get stretched out. So let's go ahead and let's start by putting our feet together, getting our minds focused with a few deep breaths. We're going to take 3 deep breaths here. So let's get focused. Close your eyes, and we're going to use our arms. So we're going to breathe in. Lift your arms up tall and breathe out. Let's do it again. Breathe in. Blow it out like you're blowing up a balloon. Last big deep breath before we start. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good job. Okay, we're going to stretch from our head all the way down to our toes. So let's shake it out and get our butt muscles loose. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and we're frozen. Good job. All right, let's roll our head in a circle. Go. Very, very slowly. Make sure we're trying to control all of our movements. And go the other way. You might have a lot of wiggles, but you can keep control and stretch those muscles and stop. Good job. All right, next, let's take our arms and let's make big arm circles. Big arm circles. Remember, just move your arms and go the other direction. Make those big arm circles. And now make medium arm circles. Medium. Not too big, not too small. Right in the middle. Go the other way. Good, medium arm circles. And now let's make small arm circles, real small. Just your arms, don't move anything else. And go the other direction. Small arm circles. And let it go and shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. And 3, 2, 1, and stop. Let's put out our right arm. Let's bring it across our chest and give it a big hug. Squeeze that arm. Hold that stretch. We want to keep our body still while we stretch. And let it go. Good job. Now put out your left arm and bring it across and give it a big hug. Stretch it out. Hold that stretch. And let it go, let it go, let it go. Shake it out, shake it out. Okay, turn your body into the letter T. And now keep your feet very still. And then we're gonna twist like a helicopter. Twist those muscles in your midsection. All those muscles in your tummy. All those muscles around your back. Twist them out. Keep your feet still. Keep going. And 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. Let's get our feet just a little bit wider than our shoulders. There you go. You got them just outside your shoulders, right here. And got our feet out just outside. Now reach up tall. And then let's reach way back behind us. Reach back behind you. You do it. Keep breathing. Don't forget to take those deep breaths. Stretch those leg muscles. We're going to come up very, very slowly. So go slow. Go slow. Until you're all the way standing. Good job. Keep those feet out. Now reach up tall. I want you to reach down and touch your right toe. Keep those feet wide. Reach for that right toe. Come up very, very, very slowly. We're going to do our other leg, so reach up tall. And go down to your left leg. Stretch out those muscles. Hold that stretch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Real slow, real slow. Come up, come up, come up, come up. Good job, and shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, back to frozen, and our body's in the shape of the letter I. What you see right behind me? Our letter I. All right, our next stretch, we're gonna put our right foot in front, but not make it too far in front. And then we're gonna bend our right knee and keep our left leg straight. And I want you to point your toes straight ahead, straight at me. See if you can keep those toes pointed straight ahead. Try and keep your balance. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Come back to the middle. All right, take your left foot, put it out in front. Bend your left knee and lean forward. Keep your right leg straight. And point your toes right at Coach Stewart. Keep taking those deep breaths. Good job. 3, 2, 1, and bring it back. All right, boys and girls, let's do our last stretch. What we're going to do now is we are going to do a balance. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to lift up our left toe just a little bit. Just tap your left toe on the ground and then take a big deep breath in and lift it up off the ground and balance and hold. We're in a tree. We're a big tall tree that doesn't move. Balancing on the ground. If you feel your tree start to lean, just catch yourself and come right back up. Big deep breaths. Hold it for another few seconds. And let it go. Good job. Okay, let's do our other side. We got 2 sides, so we want to do both sides whenever we do our stretches. So let's lift up our left toe just a little bit. Tap it on the ground. Now take a big deep breath in. Hold it up. Big deep breaths. Keep your balance. One more big deep breath. And let it go. Good job. Good job. Okay, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. All right, we're almost ready to get started. So what I want you to do, let's stand up tall. We're making a big letter I. We're frozen. Now we're going to take big deep breaths and use our arm. We're going to do 3 again. Here we go. Ready? Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Last big deep breath. Breathe in. And out. Now we're ready to get started.